Cut baseboard corners so they meet tightly by combining precise mitering with coping and careful fitting. Start by measuring each wall from the corner to the face of the last installed board and transfer that measurement to the new piece with the face and edge orientation preserved so the profile lines match. Set the miter saw to a slightly over 45 degrees, about 45.5 degrees, to compensate for paint buildup and imperfect wall angles and make slow, steady cuts to avoid chip out. Cut the long point first, then the short point, so you can test fit without moving the board orientation. For inside corners, use a coping saw to cut the profile of the molding from the back of the board so the cope fits over the face of the adjacent board. Hold the cope piece against the installed board and scrape minor high spots with a file for a seamless fit. Use a small amount of high-quality construction adhesive along the back of the baseboard and a quick-setting adhesive activator on the joint if you need immediate grab. Then tack with finish nails into studs or use a nailer set one size smaller and countersink slightly below the surface. When fitting outside corners, cut both pieces at 45.5 degrees and test fit, then anticipate small gaps by planing the joint slightly or using a dyed wood filler that matches the paint if needed. Always sand lightly before priming and paint with 2 thin coats for a continuous finish. Check each joint with a light held at a low angle to reveal gaps and use a thin bead of paintable caulk only where the gap is less than 1/32 of an inch because larger gaps require refitting or filler first. Common mistakes include cutting at a nominal 45 degrees on imperfect walls, which causes visible gaps, so measure wall angles and use 45.5 degrees or adjust until the test fit closes. A second frequent issue is flipping the board when transferring measurements, which reverses the profile match, so always mark face and top and test fit before nailing. Third, relying solely on caulk to hide gaps leads to cracking and visible seams, so use coping for inside corners, glue and activator for a tight joint, and reserve caulk for minor finishing only. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share tips and photos and ask questions. We help contractors find work by letting them participate in the conversations and show their skills to nearby homeowners.